Hey guys, I haven't done any videos for a while here, but what I got right now is a rust repair we're working on. This is an '07, I believe, Ram 1500. We had the typical rust over the wheel arches on the bed on both sides of the truck. Cut those out, welded them in, new patch panels. When we pulled the outer skin off, the inner was rusted as well, so we welded in fresh panels there, got that sealed up, and everything's body worked and primed. Did a couple different rounds of primer on here. This is the final prime. So right now I'm just got guide coat on here. I'm just trying to block it out with some 600, using a variety of blocks. Got a little round block here for this contour, trying to get into this area. And then once I'm able to get all the black guide coat out of here, then we'll be ready to paint. But we got everything's nice and flat and smooth. Just do a little final sand, and I'll be painting this thing sometime today. So we'll have the video of that shortly. Thanks.